advice on how to make passive income from a six-figure earner. Now you may be thinking, wait, who's that six-figure earner? It's me. Okay guys, in this video, I just kind of wanted to back up and talk a little bit about my background for those of you who may not be all that familiar. My name is Marissa Romero. Welcome to the channel if it's the first time on your channel. And on this channel, what I do is talking about make money online, how to build a sustainable business from home, how to improve your online business if you're already in the internet marketing game. And so if any of that is interesting to you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I post consistently and I bring that fire. All right, guys. So let's talk about my background a little bit because a lot of you know me on this channel as an affiliate marketer, and because that's mostly what the content that I create is about affiliate marketing, because nowadays that is my main business. However, I wanted to talk a little bit about my background from last year, which was e-commerce. Okay, so I actually created a six-figure business from e-commerce last year. That was my first business model. I had a lot of success with e-commerce. I had several online stores where I did drop shipping. I used Shopify and also a platform called Commerce HQ, where I would build up stores online. I would put hot products in them in different niches. I had different stores, and I would sell these products using Facebook advertising. So I would use paid advertising to drive traffic to these stores and make sales. And I had some really great months, really great results. The problem was, for me, was that there was a lot of moving parts and I got super burnt out with Shopify, and it was very difficult to make that business model completely passive. Okay, I didn't have a full team in place that allowed me to just completely be hands off. If I had a virtual assistant for one thing and another thing, I was still, doing the Facebook ads myself, and vice versa, because I didn't trust anybody else to do Facebook ads like me, because I am good at Facebook ads. And the other reason is because, well, to hire someone as good as me to do Facebook ads is pretty expensive, because I know I'm expensive if someone asks me to charge Facebook ads for them to run Facebook ads for their business. So it's not exactly passive. And that is why, if you're watching this video, my number one advice to you to earn passive income online is to start and grow an affiliate marketing business. Start it today. In a year from now, you'll be extremely happy that you did so. Okay, so not only am I a six-figure earner online, and I will soon be, by the end of 2018, I will soon be a six-figure affiliate marketing earner, because I'm on track to do that much sales by the end of 2018. So okay, let's back up here. The reason why I advise affiliate marketing is because it is way easier than e-commerce, and it is one of the easiest ways out of all the business models, in my opinion, to make money online. And the best part about it is you could turn your passion into profit with affiliate marketing. So any niche that you're in, you can build a business around it and market things and other people's products in that niche and make a commission out of it. Now, what I highly recommend for you guys, this is kind of a good rule of thumb to strive by, is to have products in your niche, whether that's make money online, health, fitness, maybe it's something specific like guitar lessons, surfing, wedding photography, home and garden, whatever it is. But have a product that you can be an affiliate for, where you get monthly occurring commissions. For example, a lot of people know ClickFunnels. A lot of people from my channel now know of Kartra. I am an affiliate of Kartra, which is basically the exact same thing as ClickFunnels, but it also includes email marketing. So I'm an affiliate of Kartra because I make a reoccurring commission as people use Kartra in their business. So I get 30% of whatever monthly plan they choose every single month that they pay. And as you know, people need they need online business tools. People need email marketing. People need sales funnel builders to create landing pages and thank you pages. People eventually need a place where they can create their own courses, their own membership sites. They need a place where they can track their links. They need all kinds of stuff. So Kartra offers all of that. So when people sign up for Kartra under my link, they'll be members for quite a long time. And so that is why I promote that company's, because I use it, I'm a user, I'm a product of the product, but also it is a guaranteed way to make passive income because it's a reoccurring monthly bill, obviously. So that is one thing when you guys are starting out in your affiliate marketing business. And I have a bunch of videos that you'll have to check out after this one on affiliate marketing and how to pick profitable offers. I'll have that in the link. There'll be an entire playlist on affiliate marketing. You guys can check that out after this video. But that would be my number one suggested thing to create literally residual passive income, is to pick a product that has monthly recurring charges and that you can get a monthly recurring commission. My second tip and advice is you're going to start with promoting products maybe that have a lower, what do you call it, front end price that people buy into. So maybe on the front end, which means the first product that is bought in this funnel is a lower ticket item. So maybe it's like a $40 product where you receive 60% commissions or something like that. I'm all for marketing those products. However, the problem with that is it's only a one-time commission and it's a lower amount. So it's, below $100. That's called low ticket. My advice to you, when you get good at affiliate marketing and you're comfortable with just making sales online and you're ready to take your business to the next level and maybe quit that job that you've been wanting to quit and really create a passive income stream, is to promote a high ticket affiliate marketing program. What that means is $1,000 or more. So you're marketing a product or service of another company's that costs above $1,000, where you get a good chunk of that change. So let's say the product is $2,000 and you make 40% commission. Now that's what I'm talking about. 40% of 2,000 is a pretty good chunk of money. And that is where the real power of affiliate marketing comes, because it's the low end, front end tickets are great. However, you need to have leverage in whatever affiliate marketing networks or programs you're marketing. They have to have upsells on the back end. They have to have those higher ticket products on the back end, or else you're going to be struggling trying to make 500 sales a month just to make a $10,000 a month income. If you are making $1,000 commission on a product, you only have to make 10 sales a month, as opposed to how many sales do you need to make $1,000 if you're getting a $30 commission? A lot of sales, okay, guys? So find an affiliate marketing system that you'd like to promote, and make sure it just has upsells and high tickets on the back end. So when people go into the funnel and they buy the low end product, they're offered a higher ticket product on the back end, okay? And if you guys want my number one recommendation for an affiliate marketing network where you're able to receive these high ticket commissions, go ahead and click on the first link in the description. That is the program that I am using, and that is how I'm able to leverage a residual income system like that, and I'm able to travel the world and have the time and freedom location that I want and have that passive income, and I'm able to make money while I sleep, while I'm in Bali, Indonesia, while I'm in the United States, while I'm in South America, wherever I am. I could leverage the power of a high ticket affiliate network. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the questions if you have, let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. give me a thumbs up on this video. I work hard to deliver this high quality content. Okay, guys, so get started on your affiliate marketing business, start driving traffic, and you'll be happy in a year that you started today. All right, I'll see you on the next video.